Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you have been following along, welcome back. Today we're going to be covering the letter. Okay, so the name of this letter and the sound that it makes are completely different. 6, 7. Anyway, so this letter is called Hamza. Okay, you probably have a friend named Hamza. But the sound that it makes is the same as Alif. Alif makes right? Hamza makes Some might argue Alif Hamza is the same letter, but you'll also find in the Quran, you'll find the letter, this guy, he is sometimes included, not with an Alif. And so that's why I wanted to point out in today's video this is probably going to be the last introverted letter that we're going to cover in the entire series. Introverted letters are essentially letters that might connect in the beginning, or might, well, actually, no. Introverted letters are connectors that don't connect in the beginning, but will connect in the end, possibly. Essentially, they don't like to hold hands, but they like to be held. In the case of Alif, it will not connect with anything in the beginning, but it'll connect with something in the end. With Hamza, it's not going to connect at all. Am I right? Let's find out. So we're going to go through this entire passage, the last verse of Surah Al-Fath, until we can find all the Hamzas and hold their hands if we can and bring them home because we like them so much. So let's start with here. Are there any Hamzas in this passage? Oh, look at that. Right off the bat. Exactly what I had showcased here. It's exactly that. It's Hamza and Alif together. Keep going. Oh, there we go. We've got a Hamza by itself. We've got an Alif and a Hamza right next to each other. And so in each case, you would actually be reading these separately, right? In the sense of, and we're not going to worry about reading it. I want you to focus on recognizing it. But the sound that these guys make, they're essentially the same. Oh, the best way to look at it, you ever see the movie Twins with Arnold Schwarzenegger and Danny DeVito? That's basically Hamza and Sufyan is going like this. But this is the best example right here, right? You got Arnold on Alif, and then you got Danny DeVito, which is the Hamza, which is the short version of the twin. And so in terms of the sound that they make, it's the same sound, but they look completely different. So we got Alif and Hamza right here, twins. That could be the remake, right? If we were to reboot the movie, but don't worry about that. Keep going. We got another Alif and Hamza. Keep going. Keep going. Any more Alif or Hamzas? Any more Hamzas? Any more Hamzas? Any more Hamzas? Oh, there you go. We got Alif and Hamza together. And keep going. Any more Alif and Hamzas? Guys, help me out. Look, there's an Alif by itself, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for Hamza. Where's Hamza? Oh, we got a Hamza right here on the bottom, right? It's actually, it's a what? It's blurry. There we go. How about now? If I move closer, right? And boom, right there. Yeah, this guy right here, right? We got Alif and Hamza together, but this one here is one letter, and then we've got an Alif connected to that letter towards the end, and then you got a Hamza at the bottom. Let's keep going. Any more? Up there, we got a Hamza. I'm covering it with the shadows. We've got a Hamza right there. Keep going. Oh, we got a Hamza right there in the middle. We got a lot of Hamzas over here. And we've got any more Hamzas? Any more Hamzas? If I miss one, let me know. Point it out in the comments below. Hey, which line did I miss the Hamza? I would very much appreciate. Oh, look at that. We got another Alif and Hamza. I'm blocking it. I'm covering it. Oh, there we go. Right there. Alif and Hamza. Right there. Oh, I'm causing. We got there. There you go. Alif and Hamza. What else we got? Any more Alif and Hamza? There you go. Another one. Another Alif and Hamza. Boom. And that's about it, guys. That basically concludes all of the letters that don't connect on one side, but we'll actually follow it up in the next video. We're gonna do a quick review of all the letters that don't connect on all the introverted letters. But in the meantime, let me know down in the comments below how many Hamzas you found and how many Alif and Hamzas together you found. I'll see you soon, guys. Assalamu alaikum.